Hi, my name is Nhan Huynh, and I'm running for the Virginia House of Delegates District 9. I'm a first-generation immigrant from Vietnam, a TJ grad and Virginia Tech Hokie, a U.S. Army veteran, and most of all, a proud single father of 3 wonderful children. I'm here to fight for the values that I'm passionate about through legislation such as school choice that puts parents and children first, not ideology, so that schools can focus on reading, writing, math, and science, and moderate environmental policies that balance the economic needs and conscientious environmental planning, and common sense appropriations that builds infrastructure and restore the low taxes and the low crime rate that we once had. This is my American dream. And with your vote for me, together, we can make Virginia better for all. My name is Nhan Huynh, and I approve this message.